enabling the promo code option at the top. If it's disabled, users won't see your promo codes. To create a new promo code, click on the Create Your Smart Promo Code button. You can either manually enter a promo code or click Auto Generate Code to let the system create one for you. Next, add your discount details. Choose the type, fixed amount or percentage, and set the discount value. Now set a start time for the promo code to become active. Toggle on. Set expiry to define an end time when the code will automatically expire. Select the products the promo code will apply to. For example, choose lock message if this is the product you want to discount. Once all details are filled, click the Submit button to save your promo code. Your discount is now ready to share. Click on the Filters button to open the filtering options. In the Created Date field, you can filter promo codes by specific time frames, such as today, yesterday, this week, well, this month, last month, or choose a custom range to filter by exact dates. Once you've selected your preferred date range, click Filter to apply the filter and view your results. If you want to reset and view all promo codes, simply click Clear